Did you know that chronic kidney disease has been estimated to affect more than 37 million Americans? If you're already suffering from kidney issues or simply want to protect your kidney health, this guide is for you. What you eat can either damage or help heal your kidneys. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of the foods that can support your kidney health. Today, we'll embark on a culinary journey that could change the way you think about your meals and, more importantly, your kidneys. In a world where our health is more important than ever, there's one superhero team that doesn't wear capes, but packs a powerful punch for your health, especially your kidneys. Our kidneys are silent heroes, working tirelessly to filter and detoxify our blood, manage our fluid levels, and keep our electrolytes in check. But in the hustle and bustle of life, it's easy to forget about these vital organs until they remind us through discomfort or disease. What if I told you that the path to supporting your kidney health might just be found in your kitchen? Yes, you heard it right. Today, we're revealing the essential 6 foods you can't heal your kidneys without. From the powerful anti-inflammatory properties of garlic to the unexpected kidney benefits of blueberries, we're covering it all. Whether you're looking to protect your kidney health or support their healing journey, these 6 foods are packed with nutrients that are scientifically proven to boost kidney function and overall well-being. Garlic, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Let's begin our journey with garlic. This humble bulb, often tucked away in the corners of our kitchens, holds potent secrets that can significantly impact kidney health. Garlic is renowned for its anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in your kidneys, allowing them to heal. Its antioxidant properties prevent further oxidative damage. Garlic also helps prevent or manage urinary tract infections, UTIs. In fact, a 2015 study found garlic extract effective in preventing UTIs, with about a 73.8% reduction in UTI risks. But what exactly makes garlic such a powerhouse for our kidneys? The answer lies in a miraculous compound known as allicin. Allicin is the heart of garlic's health benefits, with the ability to fight inflammation and oxidation, 2 culprits behind kidney damage. Chronic inflammation can lead to and exacerbate kidney damage, hampering their ability to filter blood effectively. Here's where garlic steps in. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe and reduce inflammation in the kidneys, allowing them to heal and function more efficiently. Moreover, garlic's antioxidant capabilities protect the kidneys from oxidative stress that can lead to further damage. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for chronic kidney disease, and managing blood pressure is crucial for those looking to protect their kidney health. Garlic comes to the rescue once again, with studies showing its effectiveness in lowering blood pressure levels. Incorporating garlic into your diet can lead to moderate reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, giving your kidneys the breathing room they need to repair and thrive. Now you might be wondering how to include more garlic in your diet to reap these kidney protective benefits. It's simpler than you might think. From adding minced garlic to your favorite sauces and soups to roasting garlic cloves to spread on whole grain toast, there are countless ways to enjoy this flavorful ingredient. And for those concerned about garlic's potent aroma, cooking garlic mellows its flavor, making it a versatile addition to a wide array of dishes. Incorporating garlic into your meals is a step toward not only enhancing the flavor of your dishes, but also providing your kidneys with the support they need to function optimally. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. Flax seeds, tiny seeds with big benefits. Our second hero on this journey to kidney wellness is flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, making them an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Flax seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid with anti-inflammatory effects that can potentially reduce inflammation and damage in kidneys. The magic of flax seeds lies in their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. Chronic kidney disease often comes hand in hand with inflammation, and by incorporating flax seeds into your diet, you're directly combating this issue, helping to protect your kidneys from further damage. But flax seeds don't just stop at reducing inflammation. They are also known for their impressive ability to improve heart health, which is vitally important for individuals with kidney issues. A healthy heart contributes to a healthy kidney by ensuring smooth blood flow and reducing the risk of complications. Furthermore, flax seeds have been shown to lower blood pressure, a common condition that can exacerbate kidney problems. This effect is attributed to the presence of lignans in flax seeds, which have been observed to improve cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol and preventing artery hardening. Integrating flax seeds into your daily diet can be both easy and delicious. They can be sprinkled over breakfast cereals, blended into smoothies, or mixed into yogurt for a nutritious boost. For those who enjoy baking, ground flax seeds can serve as a healthy addition to bread, muffins, and cookies, not only increasing their nutritional profile, but also adding a subtle nutty flavor. It's worth noting, however, that moderation is key. While flax seeds are beneficial for most people, they should be introduced gradually into the diet to prevent any gastrointestinal discomfort due to their high fiber content. Starting with a small daily amount, such as a teaspoon, and progressively increasing it over time, is a safe and effective way to incorporate flax seeds into your kidney protective diet. By fighting inflammation, supporting heart health, and lowering blood pressure, flax seeds offer a simple yet powerful means to protect and enhance kidney function. Let's embrace this nutritional powerhouse and make flax seeds a staple in our journey towards optimal kidney health. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Our third hero in the quest for kidney health is blueberries. These small but mighty fruits are celebrated not only for their delicious taste, but also for their profound health benefits, especially when it comes to kidney health. Blueberries are a treasure trove of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their signature deep blue hue. These antioxidants are the key warriors in the fight against oxidative stress, a condition known to contribute to kidney damage. By incorporating blueberries into your diet, you're arming your body with the tools it needs to combat this stress, potentially reducing the risk of chronic kidney disease progression. But the benefits of blueberries extend far beyond their antioxidant capacity. These fruits have been shown to improve overall heart health, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. A healthy heart ensures efficient blood flow throughout the body, including the kidneys, enabling them to filter waste and toxins effectively. Moreover, blueberries have properties that may help in reducing blood pressure, a common issue that can exacerbate kidney problems. Regular consumption of blueberries can contribute to maintaining optimal blood pressure levels, offering further protection to your kidneys. Integrating blueberries into your daily routine is both simple and enjoyable. They can be savored fresh as a snack, blended into smoothies, or used as a topping for cereals and yogurts for a nutritional boost. You can also incorporate them into salads or desserts, adding a burst of flavor and color to your meals. What's particularly intriguing about blueberries is their potential role in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, a common ailment that can adversely affect kidney health. The compounds found in blueberries may help prevent bacteria from binding to the bladder wall, thus reducing the incidence of UTIs. This preventive measure is crucial for individuals with kidney issues, as UTIs can lead to more severe kidney infections if left unchecked. By making blueberries a regular part of your diet, you're not just indulging in a tasty treat. You're also taking a proactive step towards protecting your kidneys and enhancing your overall well-being. Let's not underestimate the power of these small fruits. After all, when it comes to health, it's often the smallest changes that can make the biggest difference. Watermelon, the hydrating healer. Number 4 on our list is watermelon. This summertime favorite is not just a delicious way to beat the heat, but also a boon for kidney health. Thanks to its high water content and unique nutrient profile, watermelon stands out for its hydrating properties. Comprising about 92% water, it's an excellent choice for maintaining optimal hydration, crucial for healthy kidney function. Proper hydration helps the kidneys clear waste from the blood efficiently and keeps blood vessels open to allow free flow of blood. Consuming watermelon can contribute significantly to this process, ensuring your kidneys work with ease and efficiency. Beyond its water content, watermelon is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that gives the fruit its vibrant red color. Lycopene has been associated with a host of health benefits, including reduced risk of certain types of cancer and heart disease. For the kidneys, lycopene's antioxidant properties may help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic kidney disease by combating oxidative stress, a key factor in kidney damage. Watermelon is also a kidney-friendly source of potassium. While high levels of potassium need to be monitored in certain kidney conditions, watermelon offers a moderate amount, making it a safer choice for many people focusing on kidney health. This balanced potassium content helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure, further supporting kidney function. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is as easy as it is enjoyable. Enjoyed fresh in fruit salads, blended into smoothies, or juiced, watermelon is versatile. For a creative twist, consider adding watermelon to savory dishes like salads or salsas for a refreshing flavor contrast. Interestingly, watermelon may also play a role in reducing muscle soreness and improving recovery time after exercise, thanks to its amino acid citrulline. For those with chronic kidney disease, managing muscle health and overall physical well-being is essential, making watermelon a great addition to a health-conscious diet. Watermelon is not just a treat for the taste buds, but a genuine ally for kidney health. Its hydrating properties, antioxidant content, and balanced potassium levels make it an ideal choice for those looking to support their kidneys. Turmeric, the golden healer. Next on our list is turmeric. Known for its vibrant color and as a staple in culinary traditions around the world, turmeric harbors curcumin, a compound that is not only responsible for its distinct color, but also its potent health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting the kidneys. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These characteristics are particularly beneficial for the kidneys, as inflammation and oxidative stress play significant roles in the progression of kidney disease. By integrating turmeric into your diet, you're harnessing these properties to help protect your kidneys from damage and support their healing process. Research has illuminated curcumin's ability to improve the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, which in turn helps regulate blood pressure, blood clotting, and various other factors critical to kidney health. This is particularly valuable, as high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage. Furthermore, curcumin has been shown to reduce the levels of protein in the urine, proteinuria, a marker of kidney disease, suggesting its potential role in maintaining kidney function. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be both easy and delicious. It can be added to smoothies, soups, and curries for an antioxidant boost, or used to make golden milk, a comforting warm beverage that combines turmeric with milk, dairy or plant-based, and a hint of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Turmeric can also be sprinkled over roasted vegetables or mixed into dressings and marinades, adding a warm, earthy flavor and a burst of color to your dishes. Beyond its benefits for kidney health, turmeric is also associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, improved brain function, and relief from arthritis symptoms, making it a superfood in the truest sense. Its broad spectrum of health benefits aligns with the holistic approach to wellness, where supporting one aspect of your health contributes to your overall well-being. However, while turmeric is a powerful ally for kidney health, it's important to consider that it can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and drugs that reduce stomach acid. As always, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing significant amounts of turmeric into your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication. Cabbage, the cruciferous protector. The final hero on our list is cabbage. This leafy green is not just a staple in a myriad of cuisines around the world, but also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits, particularly for those looking to support their kidney health. Cabbage stands out for its low potassium content, making it an ideal choice for individuals managing chronic kidney disease who need to monitor their potassium intake closely. High levels of potassium can be harmful to those with kidney issues, as impaired kidneys may struggle to remove excess potassium from the blood. Incorporating cabbage into the diet provides a nutrient-rich, kidney-friendly option that helps maintain balanced potassium levels. But the benefits of cabbage extend far beyond its potassium content. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in powerful antioxidants, including vitamin C and sulforaphane. These compounds play a critical role in fighting oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in the body, including the kidneys. Oxidative stress and inflammation are key factors in the progression of kidney damage, and by combating these elements, cabbage contributes to the overall health and functioning of the kidneys. Moreover, cabbage is a great source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for eliminating waste and toxins from the body, thereby reducing the burden on the kidneys. The fiber in cabbage also helps in managing blood sugar levels, which is important for preventing diabetes, a major risk factor for kidney disease. Incorporating cabbage into your diet is both versatile and simple. It can be enjoyed raw in salads and slaws, fermented as in sauerkraut or kimchi, or cooked in soups, stews, and stir-fries. This versatility not only makes it easy to include cabbage in your daily meals, but also helps you reap the wide array of health benefits it offers. Cabbage also contains phytonutrients that may help protect against certain types of cancer, including bladder, colon, and prostate cancers. While the research is ongoing, these potential anti-cancer properties add another layer to the many reasons to include cabbage in a health-conscious diet. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. As we wrap up our journey through these 6 incredible superfoods, it's clear that the path to supporting and healing your kidneys lies through mindful nutrition and incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is about more than just kidney health. It's about enriching your overall well-being and taking a holistic approach to your health. Your kidneys work tirelessly for you, and they deserve all the support they can get. By making these nutrient-packed foods a regular part of your diet, you're not just nurturing your kidneys, you're taking a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you.